Welcome to Farm Equipment's Product Showcase. Harness the power of MyDealer and e-commerce from CDK Heavy Equipment and enhance your customer's experience. Learn about MyDealer and its new features delivering your customers self-service, around-the-clock access to account and equipment information, and extend the customer relationship long past open hours. Take a look and let us know your thoughts in the comment field below. For more videos, be sure to click subscribe.
Good afternoon, everyone. John Bowling here with CDK Global Heavy Equipment. And with me today is Joe Mester and Josiah Mahan. Just wanted to bring an update to the industry about what's happening behind the scenes and some of the new features that we're putting into MyDealer. As you know, MyDealer's been around for over 15 years. This product was way ahead of its time. We've had a lot of ag dealers use it through Canada and around the U.S. for many, many years. They were the pioneers in selling parts online many years ago before the pandemic was even thought about. So what we're going to show is MyDealer has become an e-commerce monster, an engine. We are just approaching $80 million since the pandemic started, selling parts to your customers online through MyDealer. It's an amazing tool. Joe's going to show you some features about this tool that allow you to stay in contact with your customer, give them really your communication tool in your pocket. So with that being said, we're going to first go through some things that just our standard MyDealer does, and then Josiah is going to kick off what's new and exciting. We think with what we're about to announce with the partnership with ARI Parts Stream and bringing a 56 additional, including McDon, parts catalog to this tool, if you're a short line dealer for that particular brand, then you will turn this into an e-commerce machine for your customers. So Josiah will demonstrate that at the end. But in the meantime, Joe, why don't you take us through some of the standard things that our customers like the best about MyDealer and what their customers like the best about MyDealer.
Of course. Thanks, John. So MyDealer is going to be a one-stop shop for all of your customers to log into. It's a portal where they can manage anything in relation to you as the dealership. That being said, the home screen here, there's a lot of branding opportunity where you can have dealer logo, link your website right on the screen as well. The customers will see their rolling invoices. This is a 24-month rolling total, as well as all of the top parts they've ever purchased. And this is going to update as parts are being purchased through your dealership. I'm just going to go over here, the menu bar on the left-hand side. When it comes to my account side of things, when I open up invoices, your customers will have the opportunity to pay off invoices directly through the MyDealer platform. As you can see, it's going to have that rolling total at the top still, with the filtering options to find the exact invoice you're looking for. Then down at the bottom, it's going to show you all of those outstanding invoices. To pay them off, you just check that box, and there'll be once that integration is set up, there will be a button to pay off invoice, and that is through ACH payments. As well as MyDealer can be a very good inventory management tool. So any piece of machine, any equipment that is attached to the specific customer in IntelliDealer will populate in MyDealer. With that being said, you can open up any piece of equipment, see that breakdown, all that specific information, request service, and the customer can also update hours, add service history, indicate if they're ready to sell or trade this piece of equipment, so good upselling opportunity there, as well as indicate if they no longer own this piece of equipment. Down at the bottom, it's going to give you the breakdown in regards to this specific piece of equipment with any open work orders, if they have any recommended service coming up, and then the overall service history as well. Also a great one-stop shop for e-commerce for all of your customers. They'll be able to order parts right through your dealership. So I'm just going to search for a part here. It's going to populate that part with any multimedia, if there is any multimedia attached to the part profile, with that description, vendor, availability, and price. All permission driven as well, just like it would be an IntelliDealer. To add it to the cart, You can see I already added 2 here with the cart at the top showing we have 5 parts total in our cart ready for checkout. So I'm just going to go to the checkout here, to the cart, show you the overall checkout process here. So you can see the quantity, adjust those as needed, the total price as well, with that complete breakdown of what's in the cart. This is where the customer is going to have the opportunity to purchase parts by credit card as well. So they'll be able to type in their credit card number, purchase those parts. It's going to come right over in IntelliDealer with alerts and everything. We also have the opportunity for your customers to accept and pay off quotes right from MyDealer. Just to indicate, you know, what quote you're looking at, you check that box. Down here, indicate if you want to accept or request a requote. You accept it. Put a little comment in there, and you can send that across and indicate you accept the quote. Now I'm just going to pass it over to Josiah, and he's going to show the integration and the new and improved integration that we have to offer now.
Awesome, thanks, Joe. I'm just going to share my instance of MyDealer here. Okay, so like John and Joe were saying, we do have an exciting new partnership with ARI and their PartStream product to bring you more parts catalogs than ever before. And I will show you what that's going to look like. So over here, there's going to be a new OEM Parts Catalog button. Here in this example, we have Briggs & Stratton, but there's actually a total of 56 new catalogs for your short lines that will be available for you to purchase through the ARI PartStream integration. Your customers will be able to click on the brand they want, browse the catalog. They can search for specific items as well. I'm just going to pick one here. And now they've got the entire parts book, the diagrams and everything available for them right here within MyDealer. They can zoom in and out. If there's a specific part that they want, they can hover over it here, or they can look on the side. Add that to the cart, and that's added directly to the MyDealer shopping cart. When they've completed shopping, they can come over to their shopping cart and complete checkout as normal, just like Joe was showing. And yeah, that's how it works. It's completely seamless, totally integrated right within MyDealer. They never have to go Google for other parts catalogs outside of the system, copy paste part numbers back in. It's all part of the same singular workflow to help your customers get their parts from you faster and easier.
Josiah, am I correct to say that the pricing is tied back to the customer profile? So if you're given certain pricing or terms or something like that, that's all balanced out at checkout?
The MyDealer pricing that displays at checkout will show the customer-specific pricing, yes, if they're shopping with an account, a customer account that has those kind of discounts. You will also be able to, through partnering with ARI, you can send ARI your parts pricing matrix, and they will have the matrix list price as well visible there. And then at the time of checkout, customer will be able to see their customer specific pricing before they finalize their order.
That's fantastic. So just to recap everything here, you know, we have the John Deere brand, we have the Komatsu brand, we have the C&H brand, MacDon brand, and then 56 other short line brands now that can be put in here to make your dealership an e-commerce machine for your customers, to give them quick access to the catalogs, pick the right parts, buy the right parts virtually, remotely in their pocket, and make a seamless transaction going forward. So we're excited. This will be coming out July 1st, and will be an offering as far as the other 56 lines. Everything else we've been doing it. Like I said, we're at $80 million in part sales. We are very impressed how this works. This tool also has Google Analytics built into it, so you can see where your customers have been looking for parts, where they go to buy parts if they leave an abandoned cart, who the age of the person buying the part, what their tendencies are throughout the net, getting to you from the internet, and just all those Google Analytics. That's your Google Analytics, not ours, that you can manage and measure your e-commerce portal through MyDealer. So we at CDK Heavy Equipment are excited about this. Our dealers have been doing a tremendous job with it. We're excited to power dealers with the best e-commerce solutions possible. And this is the next step for where we think we need to be for our customers to be successful in a heavy equipment industry. And we appreciate your time, and we'll have more updates as things come through. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Josiah. Some pretty exciting times over here. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.